Hey there everyone, in this video we will talk about how you can load filament to your Bambu Lab A1 Mini. So here is the filament, and first of all let me take this out. Since you are watching this tutorial which is loading the filament, then I am assuming that you are also opening the filament roll for the first time. So you will be seeing that the filament will be kind of struck like this. So simply open this up. Now this thing is not straight, so what we can do is either we can make it straight or you can cut it down so that it does not scrape your PTFE. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to hold it like this. This the roll needs to be like this. This needs to face my side, you can see it. And now I will be loading this roll to A1. So here you can see I am loading it here. Alright, so here you can see this is PTFE tube where we need to insert this part, and as you can again see, this is the way how this roll will unwind. So make sure the direction of this roll is correct. You should not place the roll otherwise. Now I'm going to insert this filament inside this PTFE. And here you can also see this back filament is going inside, and you just need to push till the point where it stops. Now I'm going to go here down in my screen, and let's say you are at your home screen. Click on filament and click on load, and these are the steps that your Bambu Lab A1 Mini going to follow. First one, of course, is it's going to heat the nozzle and then check the filament location, cut the filament, pull back current filament. Oh my god, there are so many steps. So all you need to do is you need to stop thinking about it and simply wait for the nozzle to get heated up, and it will do its job by itself. Alright, so it seems like we have reached to the temperature, and now here you just need to feed this filament inside, and we just fed it, and you can see that the extruder start pulling it inside, and we immediately have completed so many steps. And we also can see the filament start extruding my previous filament which was white, and here we need to click on continue, despite we know that the roll is now black, because it is just asking us whether the filament got extruded or not. Now it started purging the old filament. So after some time, here we're going to see the new filament coming in, which is black, and we can see it now coming inside. And that's how we have successfully loaded our filament inside Bambu Lab A1 Mini. And now here it says load completed, and it is ready to use. That's all guys from my side in this video. Hope you find this helpful information. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam to see more such videos related to 3D printing and other engineering topics, and I will see you around.